7 ways how we use our garlic chili oil for food.
You'll be surprised what we do with it.
We also include a simple recipe how we make garlic chili oil at home. Let's start with number 1. Drizzling garlic chili oil over your beef noodle soup.
Yum, yum.
Number 2 is mixing your garlic chili oil with your wonton sauce before you pour in your cooked noodles. Number 3 is drizzling the garlic chili oil over your pizza.
It will give your pizza a double kick.
Our number 4 is drizzling garlic chili oil over egg, potato salad and mayonnaise. Number 5 is drizzling some furry goodness over fried eggs. Number 6, spoon over some on your fried banana fritters. The sweet banana and spicy chili really complements each other.
Try it yourself.
Number 7, make bland cucumber salad interesting with some garlic chili oil and chopped peanuts. There are many more ways to use garlic chili oil beside what we have shown you. Because of its versatile purpose, we have learned to make our own simple garlic chili oil at home. In our recipe, we use 300 grams of dried chilies. The best thing about making homemade garlic chili oil is that you can control the spiciness by removing the seeds as compared to store-bought ones,
Which are usually super spicy hot.
Rinse the dried chilies and put them to soak in water until they are rehydrated. The chilies will be easier to be pureed after soaking. Put the dried chilies into the food processor. Add more oil so it can blend easily. We chop 300 grams of garlic. You can reduce or add more the quantity depending on your taste. Add oil to the wok, then pour in your pureed chilies. Throw in your garlic. Stir to combine. Keep stirring and bring it to a boil. Add more flavor. We added cinnamon and star anise in our garlic chili oil. The hot oil will cook the spices thoroughly and be infused with the flavor. Do not cook the garlic and chili too long. Overheating will cause the chilies and garlic to burn. Once it turns dark brown, it is burned, and there is no way to save it.
You can just throw it away.
Uh-oh.
Chili oil can be stored at room temperature in sealed jar for several weeks or up to 6 months in the refrigerator.
Can you use fresh chili to make this?
No, you cannot. The taste and texture will be different. However, you just got to do what is best for you. If you like this video, watch how we make our own garlic oil at home.
Thanks for watching.